Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video where we are going to unbox something. Let me switch the camera around because it's 2018 and we still can't do that when we're recording for some reason. So thanks to me, sleep deprivation, and late night Amazon, I have purchased a Samsung POWERbot. It says VR, but there is no VR. Star Wars Darth Vader edition vacuum cleaner. So yeah, I figured why not unbox this. I mean, honestly, it's $600. Luckily, it was $200 when I got it on sale. I'm about to sneeze, guys. Hopefully I don't. Oh, okay. It does do sounds. Lightsaber, breathing. This is kind of neat. I don't know if I'm going to keep this. Visionary mapping. Yeah, it's supposed to actually map before, which is kind of neat. I won't get into these, but these are all the Samsung power cables that it needs. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. I'm having a recording with my iPhone because I forgot to charge my Nikon. So what else do we got? Warranty crap. Very thick manual. I thought those were all online now. It's dark. I think that's it. So we will toss this over here. As you can see, my floor does need swept. So maybe I will give you guys also a review later. I hope for Wi-Fi so you can have Alexa or a Google Assistant start sweeping for you. I don't think it works with Siri just because it's a Samsung product and they have beef. Look. Okay, I hate to say it. This is like the coolest vacuum ever. Wow. Okay. It's got a nice chrome finish. A cool Darth Vader look. Alright, I think that's really about it. No more Star Wars stuff. So it was a quick little video, you guys, of a neat Star Wars vacuum cleaner. With all of these commands and sounds, let's go over charging, breathing. It looks like it does a lot of breathing sound. I like the Imperial March when it goes back. Good. Well, that was a neat unboxing. Let's do some nice shots. Guys for watching. That has been the unboxing of probably a very boring unboxing, but I hadn't really seen anybody, nor did I look, I guess, unboxing a Darth Vader edition Samsung vacuum cleaner. So enjoy that. So maybe in the future I will have a review of it. Yeah, I didn't take all the paper off of it because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. Really depends on how well it works. So if you guys like this, you know what to do. If you didn't, you also know what to do. Comment, subscribe, bell, all the things. You guys have a great day.